Yo, what is up everyone, it's SNT here and welcome to my channel.
They tell me count your blessings, I need more to count. Everyone a wolf is what I'm finding out. Fighting fears, but I live with doubt. Sky's falling, but I hold my ground. Feeling more unique the more I look around, yeah. When you tell me my limit is where I draw the line. My mission's to the moon, I won't apologize. It can't be your year when every year is mine. Money takes you places, but it makes you blind, yeah. Straight jackets all around, everybody sleeping still. Music on Xanax made me feel like I took a sleeping pill. Life is a highway, one day you gotta learn to take the wheel. No more crying, no more silence, time to tell them how you feel. You either want it or you don't, you're alive or you're a ghost. Leave it up to God, all I say is adios. Ran it at the park, now we run it in the pros. If your heart is rich, I don't need to see it on your clothes. They want a million but can't keep it 100. Not the time to say a lot, I just pull up and run it. I just pull up, keep it humble, but I heard that doesn't sell. The emptiest people usually full of themselves. I wonder, am I feeling my soul? Am I feeling my lies? Am I seeing the truth? Am I closing my eyes? Am I finding myself? Or do I live in my pride? Am I scared to be open or take a look what's inside? Not the type to keep friends that don't make me a better man. I'm not the type to stay the same, this isn't Neverland. I'm not the type to drop a song a day to stay relevant, yeah. What you really know about me, huh? What you know about sleeping with a coat in the winter, huh? Looking at the rain like I had enough. I always had to give it more when they told me give it up. Ivan, I don't get it, why you always so negative? Why you always down, can't you see it's repetitive? You say you love God, you treat pain like a medicine. I'm your biggest fan, I know you do better and make what we want. I start playing your songs again. My family loves your stuff, but lately they haven't been. Please hit me back, I need to tell you some other things. Please can you read this and I'm not happy with pain, I just deal with it differently. I really don't care if nobody remembers me. You don't want it, then don't take it, sit it down and just let it be. More concerned if I can smile back at all of my memories. I empty my pockets, empty my life saving just to empty my heart. Now they say I'm life saving, yeah they say I'm life saving. Life's like Friday nights, no one's ever done changing, I heard. Our happiness comes from sacrificing what you want most for what you want now. It's not the pretty words you think of to say, it's the kind of person you are when nobody's around. Yeah, so pray for me. I've been cooking, yeah, they tell me make a play for me. I only hear the truth, what can you say to me? Ain't a game to me, this was made for me. Made it be the greatest, but that isn't who I came to be. When you pick up the pieces, you don't notice that it picks you apart. Till you look at your heart, till you look in the mirror like you don't know where to start. All these scars looking beautiful, cause that's what you are. I've been getting signals from above, telling me imperfection means there's more to love. Letting go will never mean that you're not enough. If you can let it go, all that remains is who you become.
let's pay 'em back.